Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the TV is connected to the internet. This is essential so the sign-in can reach Google's servers. Once done, have your Google email and password handy, two things you will type soon. Now navigate to Settings, then look for Accounts or Apps where account management lives. You're beginning the actual sign-in flow rather than lingering on basics, so move directly to Add Account and choose Google to continue. You'll see the Add Account screen. Choose Google to start the credential exchange. If typing on the remote is slow, use the companion app or the TV's Quick Pair feature that lets you enter credentials from your phone. This speeds things up and reduces typos. Make sure to complete any two-step verification prompts. Approve from your phone or enter the code shown. Once credentials are accepted, the TV will request permissions. Accept them so apps can access your Google services. Finish by confirming the new account shows under Accounts and Settings, and then open Google Play to ensure purchases and apps sync correctly. You might need to sign into individual apps once. Do that as a final check. If sign-in fails, first verify TV date/time and Wi-Fi, then clear the Google Play cache or reboot the TV. If problems persist, remove and re-add the account. These steps resolve most authentication hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.